Well, R&D is, it's our lifeblood, and we've been in business for 13 years, and we invented a new technology, and it took us about 5 years to actually build the technology out to a point where we can actually begin to do even early stage experiments for medicines.
The investments that are required in our industry are so big and they take so long to come to fruition. So we have to raise a lot of money, and we have to raise it over many years for products that are really high risk.
Those initial discoveries are just the beginning. Facing us in the future are more than 10 years of development work to be able to move these discoveries from bench to bedside where they can actually benefit patients.
Tax code is truly non-effective for our business. Some basics about the business. In most of what we do, we work from 5 to 10 to 15 years, just basically losing money. And as we're losing money, nobody cares about us from a tax point of view. So tax policy really doesn't have any effect on the business, and it could.
Tax reform would allow the ability to find investment, to keep the most important discoveries moving forward, and hopefully bring those cures to the American public in the future.
But other companies like mine are growing, and you're hiring in talented 21st century jobs, knowledge workers, people with advanced degrees, higher paid, more higher paid people. And so these companies are in all 50 states. And it's clear that this is the future of the 21st century economy.
As Congress considers comprehensive tax reform, they should go further than broadening the base and lowering the rate. Instead, policymakers should specifically promote innovative, research-intensive businesses through incentives for other companies, individuals, and funds to invest in small companies and support their research.
Role in the coalition of organizations that have come together to really focus on these types of changes and the necessary improvements to our tax system, if you will, because it's going to improve investment in a lot of different areas. It's not just going to touch healthcare, it's going to touch healthcare, medicine, and many, many other areas. And I think that we really need to focus attention on these things and actually make these changes become a reality as soon as possible.